Hi people, welcome back to the tutorial on how to hack Metasploitable2. Today we're going to look at 3 ports all at once. The services running on ports 512, 513 and 514 are known as rservices. R-logging allows users to log in another host via a network. Remote execution service called rservices is a service which allows users to execute non-interactive commands on another remote machine. TCP wrappers provide basic traffic filtering of incoming network traffic. What the three have in common is that they all have been misconfigured to allow remote access from any host using a hidden file called .rhost that is present on the host machine. This file allows the machine to log in without a password based on the host-user combination listed in the file. The specified user is then granted permission to log in remotely from the specified host. In order to make sure that you can exploit these services, you have got to make sure that the RSH client is installed on your machine. I did it for the purpose of this tutorial only. Essentially, you just have to type in the following command, apt install RSH client. This command requires with privileges, therefore you proceed with the sudo command, and everything should be straightforward from there on. Once you've got the rservices client installed in your machine, you can run the following command as your root local user. So let's open another tab here and type in the following command. As you can actually see, it doesn't require a password, but it requires a username belonging to a remote system, in this case root. And if you just enter, and as you can see, it's very straightforward. The command gives you it gives you a shell on the target Metasploitable machine, and you can run this type of commands such as who am I to prove that's the case. You are root, the highest level of privilege, and you can find out the interface configuration. And indeed, we are on the Metasploitable virtual machine as demonstrated by the IP address. So we can exit that and use the remote shell command to demonstrate that it is also possible via that route. And so if you just fix that, and there you are. So by using the remote shell command too, this is a vulnerability built into the TCP wrapper. As you can see, the remote shell also gives us a shell onto the target Metasploitable machine, and it goes to show the importance of making sure that those ports are closed. That was easy. I hope that you've enjoyed this episode. Any question, then please don't hesitate to stick it in the comments. This tutorial is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.